Okay, today's lesson we continue for A.Math Chapter 10.1, textbook page 247. We want to talk about cosecant, secant, and cotangent functions. So previously we learned the definitions of trigonometric functions, sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta for any angle theta. So we're going to define 3 more trigonometric functions by taking the reciprocal of sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta to obtain the cosecant, secant, and cotangent functions. So what's reciprocal? So cosecant theta equals to 1 over sine theta. This is called taking the reciprocal of sine theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta. This is taking the reciprocal of cosine theta. So cotangent theta will be equals to 1 over tangent theta. So example 9 in your textbook, without using a calculator, evaluate cosecant 330, secant 330, and cotangent 330 degree. So 330 degree, it is in the 4th quadrant. So if I draw it, you'll be able to see the theta is 330. So what is your reference angle? Reference angle is 30 degree. Reference angle is 30 degree. Okay, so for all angles, theta in the 4th quadrant, only cosine theta is positive. Remember this? A, S, T, C. So in the 4th quadrant, only cosine theta is positive. So hence, sine theta equals to negative sine reference angle. Cosine theta equals to cosine reference angle. And tangent theta equals to negative tangent reference angle. So only cosine is positive, whereas the sine and the tangent both are negative. So with this in mind, we can use what we learned earlier. Cosecant theta is the cosecant 330 degrees equals to the reciprocal of the sine theta. So 1 over sine 330 degrees, 1 over sine 330. Then sine 330, what is it equivalent to? Sine 330 is equals to negative sine reference angle. Okay, so it was mentioned earlier here. Okay, so they're equal. So we can replace our sine 330 with negative sine 30 degrees, which is sine 30 degree is equals to half. So you substitute half into it and you evaluate it, you get minus 2. What about secant 330 degrees? So secant 330 degrees is the reciprocal of cosine theta. Cosine theta. So we'll replace as 1 over cosine 330. Cosine 330, the reference angle is equals to cosine 30 degrees in the 4th quadrant. So it's positive. So what is cosine 330? Cosine 30 degree. We learned earlier. It is square root 3 over 2. So substitute this into cosine 30 degrees and we will be able to simplify and get this answer. Cotangent 330. Cotangent 330 equals to 1 over tangent 330 degree. Okay, the reciprocal. Then tangent 330 is equals to negative tangent 30 degree. 4th quadrant, so there's a minus sign, okay, for the reference angle. And what is tangent 30 degree? Tangent 30 degree we have learned it is 1 over square root 3. So substitute this inside, you get negative 3. Okay, after learning the example 8, pause your video and take out your exercise book to do the try 8. For try 8, without using a calculator, evaluate sine, cosine, and tangent of a given angle. A, negative 60 degree. So draw your diagram. Where is negative 60 degree? We learned that negative angle means we are rotating clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. So negative 60 is here. So where is the reference angle? So look at this. Sine negative 60, we learned that we can take out the minus sign. So it will be minus sine 60. And then what is sine 60? It is your square root 3 over 2. Cosine negative 60, we learned that is equals to cosine 60 degrees. Then it will be equals to half. Tangent negative 60 equals to minus tangent 60 equals to negative square root 3. Okay, for part B, when the angle is negative 210, method 1, sine negative 210, which is equals to negative sine 210. This is using the negative angle, okay, taking out the minus sign. And then you have sine 210 is equivalent, okay, to the negative sine 30. And then cosine negative 10, so you'll be equivalent to the equals to cosine 210. Okay, so these are the steps. And then for tangent negative 210 is equals to negative tangent 210, just taking out the minus sign only. And then the tangent 210 is equals to tangent 30 degrees. If we look at the diagram here, tangent 210 meaning is anti-clockwise direction, that's why it's positive angle. Then the reference angle is 30 degree, which lies in this third quadrant whereby tangent will remain positive. So tangent 210 degree equals to tangent 30 degrees. Okay, and then you just need to substitute your answer accordingly. For method 2, since the theta is negative 210 degree, I can draw it in a clockwise direction, showing negative 210 degree for my theta. So negative 210 degree, so it will be in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, my reference angle will be 30 degrees. My reference angle will be 30 degrees. So in the second quadrant, only sine theta will be positive answer. So sine negative 210 equals to sine 30 degrees, you get half. So this is positive. Cosine negative 210 equals to negative cosine 30 degrees. And for tangent negative 210 is equals to negative tangent 30 degrees. Okay, only the sine will be positive in the second quadrant.